It probably doesn't smell the best. You'll see all this like hair. Oh my God. Whoa, this is thick. This is so good. Y'all need to buy this right now. No, I just dropped my brand new hair ties in a fucking piss-filled toilet. Hi. Okay, I haven't washed my hair for 12 days straight, and it's because I've been hibernating, which means I haven't had like any human contact for like 12 days because I hung out with people for 2 weeks straight, and then I realized that I am kind of introverted and I do not gain energy from that, and I really was deteriorating, so I just needed to like lay down and not do anything for 12 days. But now we're here. I should probably like take care of myself. I probably sound so fucking disgusting and lonely, but you know what? That's life. I'm in Los Angeles right now. The reason why is because I decided that I would follow through with my plans finally and like actually hang out with people, because like I'm the type of bitch to make plans with people and then never follow through. So I'm trying to like be a good friend and like be different. Like 2022, the year of changes. So I've been here for 3 days now and I haven't seen anyone. I've just been tanning and just staying in because just the thought of hanging out with somebody actually exhausts me. But I think that that's a me problem and I need to get out of it. So today we're hanging out with people. But in order to do that, I need to not fucking stink. So we're gonna do a whole glow up. I have all the products laid out right here for our little at-home glow up. First, we need to get coffee because currently time is 7:23 a.m. Let's do that. Black coffee. That's how you know a bitch is crazy. All right, so this is what my hair looks like. I haven't washed it in 12 days, like I was saying. Honestly, not bad. I could rock this for another 10 days, not lying. But it probably doesn't smell the best. I mean, I can't smell it because I have to live with my dirty ass self. But if I'm gonna go see people, I probably should like not stink. So if you're hanging out with me and you watch this video, just know that I did you a big fat favor and expect a gift at my fucking doorstep. Thanks. No, okay, first we're gonna start off with the hair. I want to do a hair mask while I take a nice little bath. So I'm gonna do this one from Bleach London. But first you have to shampoo your hair and like wet it. So that's what we're gonna do. Real quick, let's do it. All right. Oh, it's hot. All right, hair mask time. I already did one side. This is the Bleach London hair mask. We're just gonna run this through my hair. Ugh, I love being tan. I just feel like I look so much better tan. Last year I went through a whole phase where I didn't want to tan because I was like, I'm gonna get skin cancer and look old and wrinkly. But you know what, bitch? You're gonna be 6 feet under regardless. So might as well look hot while you're at it. Me with my fucking surgeries. I'm an IVU character. Do you know when you like play a game and then like you have to like buy more gems to customize your character? That's me. I fucking went all out. This nose, oh. That was a lot of gems. I'm gonna massage this into my head. I like to massage my hair. I swear it makes it grow. Do y'all see all this like hair? Oh, I can't wait to be a clean bitch again.
2 seconds later.
Oh my God. The handle just broke off. Like the handle just broke off. What the fuck do I do? The handle just fucking broke. Not me recording a TikTok. All right. I fixed it. Not me being dramatic. It's fine. All right, I think we should start off with a bath bomb. This is the Anihana Makuna, I don't know. It's cute. I saw it in the store and I thought it was cute. Fun fact, I've been on YouTube for, sorry, I just had to make sure my nipple wasn't out. I've been on YouTube for over a decade now, and I know it may not seem like it because I just started like getting views now. But I've been trying, okay? I always wanted YouTube to be my full-time job, but I had a phase where I made bath bombs because that was the thing to do. You know, your girl was trying to blow up. So insert thumbnail here. Yeah. This is a sign to never give up on your dreams, because when I was 7 years old, I told myself I'm going to be a tuber. And look at it. I mean, it took me 12 years, but we made it happen. Look at this. All right. That did nothing. There we go. Ooh. While we're at it, I'm gonna do a face mask, a little sheet mask action. I can't believe it's fucking the morning right now and I'm doing this. My veneer dentist would not be happy. I was talking to y'all on the spam account. By the way, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's basically like a private Instagram account that I have. Only some people get accepted, fun fact. But I was talking to y'all on there. Y'all told me to listen to the Harry Styles album. And like, listen, I would love to, but I'm just like not mentally prepared. Like, I love me some Harry Styles, but like, I just love him so much that like, if I'm gonna listen to his new album, like I need to make it a moment, and I'm just not mentally prepared for it right now. You know, like I'm not gonna be able to process it like the way that I would like to process it, so I'm just not gonna watch it right now. I mean, I'm not gonna listen to it right now. I'm just gonna like wait until my mind is clear and mentally prepared to bawl my eyes out. Does that make sense? Time to, it's hot, relax. No, for real, I'm gonna try to relax for like 20 minutes. All right, don't mind the mess on me. I had to take a thumbnail, but there's this like lavender shower steamer from the same brand that I got the bath bomb. So we're gonna try this. I think the water like hits it and then it's supposed to like steam up and smell good. I'm gonna exfoliate, but I'm gonna use 2. I'm like, should we use the Tree Hut one or should we use the June X Moon lavender one? There's 2. I think since like the fit is purple, we should do this one. That shot out so fast. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Oh, whoa. This is so cool. Whoa, this is thick. I haven't exfoliated in so long. I know I have dead skin because whenever my skin gets like hot after a shower, I can like just do like this on my skin and my skin will literally roll off of me. Do you guys know what I'm talking about, or am I just a gross bitch? Oh my God, this feels so good. It's like sand rubbing on my skin. Y'all ever like go to the beach and like exfoliate your skin with sand, or am I weird for that? You know, natural exfoliation. It's probably not very good for me, but hey, I'm just gonna use this whole container, because why not? This is actually so satisfying, like so satisfying. You know how body scrubs usually like wash off really fast? This one's like actually staying on. I'm exfoliating my boobs right now, but I don't want you to see. Oh my God, that was literally my tit. I'm also washing off the hair mask. My skin feels so smooth. Who the fuck is sitting in their shower shaving their legs on YouTube? For real, I'm like noticing how weird this is. Like I dead as I just have a camera in my shower right now and I'm about to just shave for you. Why? I don't know. Are you enjoying it though? Because if you are, make sure to subscribe. I honestly never really shave. Honestly, I probably should more often. It'd probably make me like feel more good about myself, but I could care less. Like look at this fucking way that I'm shaving right now. But I'm trying this new thing called looking presentable at all times. Having your legs be hairy doesn't mean that you're not presentable. I just feel like when I like feel clean, I feel more confident. But to be honest, my leg hair is the last thing that determines if I feel clean or not. I just don't care if my legs are shaven, but it does add like some effect, you know? I need to get back into like getting ready every single day because I told myself that I wanted to like be that girl and like get ready every single day before I go outside, but honestly it's just a lot of work. Like I don't care, but I want to care, if that makes sense. This is the Gillette razor, by the way. I'll link it down below if y'all want to try. It's my favorite razor. Should I shave my toe hairs? Ooh, wow. She's so clean, so fresh. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of my body and be back. This is one of my favorite body washes. It's the Olay Restore Soft Skin one. I don't know, really pretty. And then this is called a sud scrub. It's basically like a loofah, but you replace it once every year because usually with regular loofahs, you should replace it every week because it starts building bacteria at the weak point. But this lasts a year. They have cute colors. I'll leave a link down below if y'all wanna get like a discount, I think. I don't know, it's my favorite. Y'all know it's my favorite. Face wash, Curology. I can't see right now, but I'm gonna mix it with the Dermalogica exfoliating powder to exfoliate my face. I feel so clean right now. This is the biggest fucking mess ever. This is what happens when I film a glow video, by the way. Anyways, just got out of the shower. I think I'm gonna moisturize my body using these two products. This is new and this is my favorite, so I'm gonna show y'all. All right, I'm gonna first start off by moisturizing my body with the Away body cream. I've had this for over a year now. Like I literally packed it to move with me and everything because this smells so freaking good, but I've just not used it because it smells so good that I don't want to use it up. But I'm like, it makes no sense if I never fucking use it. It's kind of expensive, but if you guys have time, just go into Sephora and smell it. Promise you, you'll be hooked. It just smells like clean, like hotel is the vibe. Oh, I'm gonna moisturize, and then we're gonna use the Aquaphor, which I've never tried before, but I saw it all over TikTok. I don't know about you, but I'm fucking lazy as fuck when it comes to moisturizing, but I saw this on TikTok and it's like a spray version of Aquaphor and it like locks in all the moisture, so I bought it. But oh my God, my skin better be soft as fuck after this. This is like spray on Vaseline, bro. This is sick. Do you guys see how like shiny my arms are? This is so good. Y'all need to buy this right now. I'm gonna put this B12 patch on. Basically, it's like patch that has B12 in it. I don't know what the fuck B12 does for you, but I'm sure it's great. It says to take it off and put it on a dry surface. I feel like a smoker with this patch. When I was younger, I had a birth control patch, but I didn't tell any of y'all, and y'all were like, is that a smoker's patch? No, bitch. I was just trying to have babies, but if anything, it just made me fat. I just want to show you all this nasty ass wet brush that I have. I've cleaned this with vinegar multiple times. Like I've cleaned it, but it's time to go. Like I've had this for over a year. It's time to go. Out with the old, in with the new. Wet brushes are like actually my favorite thing. I got like a black mini one this time. Oh, it's just something different. I love wet brushes and they're so small. I can put them anywhere. Gotta clean the tongue too. Boom. I was literally thinking, oh, I need floss. I wish I brought floss. Smart girl, she packed floss. Oh my God, I can't believe I floss now. That's another level of like adulting or just like basic hygiene. I almost forgot. I got this from Target. It's a travel size Thera Breath. Okay, this is a mouthwash. Oh, I kind of love being a clean girl. I want to do this more often. That sounds like I'm fucking nasty. No, I usually am like this, but like just like the past 2 weeks that I've been home, I've been exhausted because I've been hanging out with people. And then like after that was finished, I just like rotted in bed for a week straight and did nothing. And like, do you know when you're like depressed and like you don't want to get out of bed? Like I wasn't depressed, I just didn't want to get out of bed. But we're back on our clean girl shit, okay? Rinse mouth for 1 minute. Oh my fuck. Enough is enough. No, I just dropped my brand new hair ties in a fucking piss-filled toilet. I use this at home and when I'm traveling because I just keep my makeup in my drawer at home and then I keep it in this thing so that every time I take it out, I just take it out like this, pull this, and boom, I can lay all my makeup out like this, right? Because I'm a messy bitch. I don't like putting things back in a bag. And when I'm done, I just best shit ever, y'all. Anyways, time to do my makeup. All right, I just went in with the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and then just put on some Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. This just made my skin so glowy. Then I just went in with the Skin in Lab Vitamin B Gel Hydrating Serum. I just like this because it's super like lightweight, because if I use like a thick one, sometimes it'll clog my pores and my makeup just like sits on top of it. But this just like really infuses into my skin, if that makes sense. And it comes with like a cute little spoon. I'll link all these products down below. Actually, I work with Skin in Lab, but they're actually some of my favorite products. Like I use their makeup melt away balm to take off my makeup every single night. And then I just used this Cica Pear by Dr. Jart like green solution. This just made my red ass face and pimple just neutralize. I really like this product. Ugh, my skin is so glowy. Time to do my makeup. All right, I'm gonna start off with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This just keeps my makeup on all day long because I'm a sweaty bitch. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This just makes my skin glowing. I actually didn't bring any foundation. I only brought concealer. This is my favorite, the Kosas Revealer Concealers. I swear by this. Like, this is my new favorite concealer. I used to be stuck on the Maybelline Fit Me, but this, oh, nothing compares. Literally nothing compares. I'm using the shade 6 and 3.5. 6 on like the darker parts and then 3.5 on the places that I want to highlight. Oh, I love having a tan. It just makes my makeup looks so much better. I'm just gonna use a kabuki brush with a little bit of Caudiel's Beauty Elixir on it just to tap this into my skin. But do y'all see this? Oh my god, it's just blending in so nicely. Also, using a kabuki brush is the move. Y'all gotta try it. This is from Sigma, by the way. I really love their brushes. I have a couple of their kabuki brushes and I love. This just blends into the skin so nicely. I'm just gonna use like a mini brush just to like blend in the areas such as like the nose area and the under eyes, just to make sure it like doesn't crease or sit on top. All right, then I'm gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury powder just to set my under eyes before I bake. I feel like using a pigmented like powder makes your makeup look so much better. I saw it on TikTok and I tried it and I think it works. I think so. This is the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Powder. I'm just gonna use this to set and like brighten my under eyes. All right, I'm trying something new today. This is the Milk Makeup like bronzing stick or whatever. Oh, I kind of love how this looks. It looks like this is perfect for my tan right now. It's so natural. I'm kind of loving cream products, but at the same time, I'm so oily that I don't know if it looks good, but I just like love the way it blends into skin, you know? How it like diffuses and looks like your own skin. I'm literally carving out a new face right now. This is so good. This is my new favorite right now. Like this literally looks like I was in the sun all day, even though I was. Like this just adds to it, you know? Y'all need to go try this. This is so good. Like actually. For the blush, I'm just using a little bit of Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy. It's kind of like a coral color, but it just makes you look super like sunburnt and cute. I'm gonna make sure to make the placement be like where the sun would naturally hit you if you were sunburnt. So like your cheeks and the top of your nose. So natural, so cute. To brush my brows up, I'm gonna use the NYX Brow Glue. I've been using this for so long now, but I always come back to it. Like sometimes I'll use like a hair gel or something. But this, whenever I'm traveling, if I can't bring a whole tub of hair gel, very good. But I'm just gonna brush my brows up. The tip is if your brows don't stay, like brush it through your brows the opposite direction and then let it tack up a little bit and then brush through them again, because when they're wet, sometimes they just don't want to stick. So you have to like let them tack up a little bit, you know? For eyeshadow, I didn't bring any, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of this bronzer and bring it out like this to really highlight this part, if that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna curl my lash. All right, I just used some Rem Beauty eyeliner in Teddy Bear, and I just like kind of like did this and smudged it out, like did a line and then just took my finger and literally went up like this. I really like liquid liner, but I've just been trying to like do like more soft look lately just because it's the summer and I want to try something new. All right, I just put the Kiss 11 lashes on. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, so I look crazy, but I'm gonna douse my face in a spray. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup spray just to spray my entire face. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury powder just to set my entire face, even my eyebrows. All right, to brighten my under eyes, I'm just gonna go back in with the powder. There's literally no technique when I fill in my eyebrows. I kind of just start running shit through it and hope it turns out okay. I guess I tried to make the top of my brow straight though, because I feel like if I don't, then I look so aggressive when it's like so arched, because I have my brows tattooed on since I was like 14, so it's kind of hard to change the shape, but I do like a more straight top. top of a brow. It's not like super arched if you can see. I mean, slightly, but it's quite straight. I really, oh my god, I just love how like golden it is. You're so golden. I have to hurry the fuck up. I have to check out of here in 10 minutes. Going with the Patrick Ta lip liner in Buff. Ew, this lip liner is too light for me now. I'm gonna go in with the Ink Velvet, I don't know, in shade 27. I feel like it matches the lip liner pretty well. Anyways, I think this is the final look that we got going on. My hair is so soft from that hair mask, by the way. Like, it actually worked. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. If you guys want more like glow up type videos or self-care, let me know. And make sure to comment down below if you subscribe from this video or anything, because I read every single one of my subscribers' comments. But follow my Instagram because I'll be posting a lot since I'll be in LA and possibly Hawaii. But follow my spam account if you haven't already, if you want to hear all the tea about my life. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I have to check out so fast. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking